Hello guys, welcome back to our online classes. Let's start. So I have this question for you today. Have you experienced this? What do you think this happens, and how do you think we can solve this? Now, if you notice, this is not really happening in Guatemala, but I know that Guatemala sometimes has this kind of traffic. So, how do you feel about it? Think about it, and we're going to discuss it during class. Okay? Good. Let's continue. So, guys, I have homework for you. I want you to stop the video and open your student book on the page 96, and I want you to read this text that I have here. Yes, and at the end of the class we're going to discuss why was constructing the bridge so challenging. Okay guys, and I also have this as homework. I want you to complete the chart with vocabulary with the vocabulary in the article. Add other items you want to learn, then tell a partner about this part. We're gonna do it in class. Right now, only work in the first part. Complete the chat with the vocabulary in the article and add other items you want to learn. So, guys, what do you think? Do you think that being an engineer is easy? If so, why? Guys, I want you to look at these branches of engineering, and I want you to think, which one do you consider is harder? So let me read these examples for you. Okay? Civil engineers not only have to design and plan structures, but they also have to deal with the construction workers. Rarely do people stop and thank system engineers for the software they work so hard to create. And finally, only after the pandemic started, people started thanking bioengineers for their hard work. Okay, guys. So, which of these do you think is harder? Analyze it, and then we're going to discuss it during class. So, talking about analysis, I want you to analyze this, and I want you to look at examples of what is special about auxiliaries, negative forms, and adverbs. These are the same sentences that I read for you before. Stop the video, and then we're going to talk about it. Okay, let's start. Well, auxiliaries, we can see that the auxiliaries are in a different position here. For example, rarely do, right? The negative forms, you can see we have rarely, only, and not only, right? And these are also working as adverbs. So these are negative adverbs, and we're going to talk about it today. We can start a sentence with a negative adverb like never, not, etc. to make emphasis. Not only does it ease traffic congestion, but it has become a landmark. If you see, this is emphasizing that it is not only does it ease traffic, but it is also a landmark. As we can see here, we are starting the sentence with the negative adverb not, and we're emphasizing that it does the two things: easing traffic and that it became a landmark. Even though the sentence starts with a negative form, it is a positive sentence. I want you to notice that the structure will be negative adverb, auxiliary, subject, and the main verb. Now, there is a special note for this, specifically when starting with not only, you need to connect the other part of the sentence with but. Okay? Good. Now, let's continue. We can use the same structure after little, rarely, and only. Only by elevating the highway were the architects able to achieve the stunning visual project. In this sentence, we mainly focus in elevating the highway. I want you to notice that when using these adverbs, we need to add a prepositional phrase after it. And here we have the example. This is a prepositional phrase, by elevating the highway. So, guys, this is gonna be your homework for today. I want you to work on it, circle the correct options to complete the paragraph. Of course, this is the lesson B on your workbook. Work on it, and we're going to check the answers during class. Guys, thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you in class.